What's up, food geeks? I'm Chef Nikki and I'm back. I'm here to tell you all about my Pro Seasoning. So we have a couple of changes. We have new packaging. The Pro Seasoning all-purpose spice blend is now 36% more spice for free. Pro Java Barbecue is now called Pro Seasoning Barbecue. It still has the same ingredient and you get 47% more Pro Seasoning Barbecue for free. Pro Seasoning Steak is my opus to a great steak. It's made with dried porcini mushroom, Himalayan pink salt, cracked black pepper. It also has shallots in it. You are not going to find another seasoning blend like this on the market. I guarantee you that. And don't forget, we don't put any unnecessary fillers into our spice blend. No silicone dioxide, no unnecessary sugar. What you're getting is a great product packed in small batches that is fresh, and it's impossible to get this kind of freshness at the grocery store unless you're buying Pro Seasoning. So what are you waiting for? Order today or visit one of our local retail partners in Tallahassee.